Yay. Yeah.
Fuck you.
Falcon kick.
Fuck you.
Falcon kick. Oh, Falcon crap.
Falcon fuck you. What's that little bastard doing in the background? Look at that.
That's, I don't know.
Why didn't he go kill himself?
How does he always know where they're at? I mean, haven't you noticed that when you play Subspace Emissary, he just randomly appears everywhere?
He's magical.
Okay, fuck Charizard.
He's like Pokemon. Pokemon.
That's my favorite one. That's my favorite one of that whole thing.
What whole thing? What was that? YouTube video or something?
He goes, I thought that was so fucking funny. I don't know why, but that just made me laugh.
I'll just like bash my head against a rock.
No wonder he's so stupid. I'm gonna die.
Please try me to do so.
Oh! You just got Falcon Raid.
Fact.
Why is he spreading his legs?
That's how your mom did it last night.
Oh, yeah.
And that's her facial expression, too.
Why did you say it?
See, that's the exact same way your mom looked like last night.
Oh, crap. More women are complaining to me. More women.
Okay. I'm really fucking annoying right now.
Yeah, I can tell. I thought I finished it for him since he didn't say it.
Fuck, Captain. Faggot.
Hey, that's my nickname for him. Only I can say it.
No. I'm pretty sure some dude in Japan has already came up with that.
Captain Faggot?
Yeah.
Everything is Japan.
And the way you and your mom and me have sex.
The only thing that's not Japan is America. Dude, what?
That made no sense.
Really?
You said everything is Japan.
Everything in America is Japan.
No, not everything is America. Not our army.
What is made in America?
Okay, our army is
Frosted Flakes.
Frosted Flakes are made in America.
Oh wow, it's only me and you this time.
Yeah,
Hey.
and let's see what some,
And you are going to kill me because you have 2 lives.
Okay, why
Just
do you always
please. No, thank you.
the same text message twice?
No, thank you.
It's probably an accident.
No, it's not an accident. She just wants me to talk to her.
Well, tell her to stop. I'm busy. Don't text me. I'm serious, or our friendship ends.
Okay, I'm gonna reach over here and grab this breakfast pad, and let's just cook.
Up my ass.
Okay, Ellie, you gotta reach up there too.
Hey, it's flying! Hey! Fuck me. Oh shit.
No.
Oh shit.
No.
Now, where's the drumsticks? Quick.
I like crack.
Alright, who's in more today? Oh, JT already has both his hands up. Who's gay?
Not me.
Yeah.